Insurance about my stock account. Today, my stock account has lost $1,072. Mr. Powell reiterated the argument that the U.S. stocks closed mixed. In my account today, today's PL is $1,050. The loss was 1.53%. Right now, the net asset of my account is $67,872.71. Today, United Natural Gas made a loss of 5.09%, losing to $7.09. SQQ lost 0.66% to $19.65. Today, the market generally closed mixed. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 0.22%. Nasdaq Composite closed up 0.27%, and S&P 500 closed down 0.04%. The auto manufacturers industry closed with a gain of 2.13%, whereas the utilities closed down 1.45%. Fed Chairman Colin Powell reiterated he expected further rate hikes this year to curb inflation and cool the U.S. labor market, and suggested that he would not rule out 2 consecutive rate hikes at the next meeting. Chip plate has received attention. It follows reports that the U.S. is considering further control of AI chip exports to China, and the Commerce Department could act as early as next month. Without a license, the Commerce Department will ban manufacturers such as NVIDIA from delivering AI chips to customers in China. NVIDIA's A800 chips from China will also be banned without a license. The first half of the trading time came to a close. With a few big tech stocks, the Nasdaq Composite Index rose nearly 30% in the first half, possibly its best first half performance in 40 years. Over the same period, the S&P 500 rose more than 14%, while the Dow rose 2.35%. Renaissance Macro Research Chairman Jeff DeGraff noted that the cyclical industries such as technology and industry are market leaders, which are positive indicators. These are very good, very safe signs that you're in a bull market. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell spoke at the policy panel of the ECB Central Bank Forum in Sintra, Portugal, on Wednesday morning. In addition to Powell, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey, European Central Bank Governor Christine Lagarde, and the Bank of Japan Governor Ohita Enna all attended the meeting and spoke. Mr. Powell said the Fed expects a further tightening of monetary policy. While the U.S. inflation has been falling recently, it is still well above the Fed's 2% target. A.J. Bell Investment Director Ross Mould said in a note to his clients, Jerome Powell's speech today may reinforce the views that the bank will raise interest rates again at its July meeting. Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan said U.S. inflation may not reach the Fed's 2% target until 2025. Consumers have cut spending to coincide with the 2% inflation, he said, citing Bank of America customer data. Most economists expect the Fed to raise rates by 25 basis points. According to CME, Federal Funds Futures Market now expects a 25 basis point hike in July, with a 23% possibility of at least 2 more increases this month, through the end of this year. Ms. Lagarde and several other policymakers also stressed that the ECB will continue to raise interest rates. ECB President Christine Lagarde said on Tuesday that inflation in the Eurozone was still too high and it was too early to declare a victory against high prices. That's all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next episode.